Welcome to the latest Mango Report. Today we are talking about the two souls of artificial intelligence. Why the business of AI is not the same as the technology. When people speak about artificial intelligence, they often speak as though it was a single phenomenon. Headlines announce the latest model. Investors celebrate soaring valuations. Researchers publish benchmark results. Companies unveil new products. To the casual observer, these events appear to belong to the same story. They do not. Artificial intelligence has quietly split into two distinct worlds. One is the world of discovery. The other is the world of enterprise. One seeks understanding. The other seeks value. One is driven by the question, what can intelligence become? The other by, what is intelligence worth? Confusing these two worlds leads to misunderstanding not only about artificial intelligence, but about the technology itself. Throughout history, invention and business have rarely advanced at the same pace. The steam engine was an engineering marvel long before it became the engine of the Industrial Revolution. The internet existed for decades before companies learned how to build sustainable businesses around it. Electricity transformed civilization only after entrepreneurs discovered how to distribute, meter, and monetize it. Artificial intelligence is following the same path. The technology of AI is concerned with possibilities. Researchers ask whether machines can reason more effectively, learn from less data, understand multiple forms of information, text, image and audio, or solve increasingly complex problems. Success is measured in accuracy, efficiency, generalization, and scientific insight. The business of AI is concerned with utility. Executives ask whether customers will adopt the product, whether operating costs can be reduced, whether trust can be earned, and whether value exceeds expense. Success is measured not by benchmark scores but by revenue, customer retention, profitability, and long-term sustainability. These are not competing pursuits. They are different languages describing the same phenomenon. A remarkable algorithm may never become a successful business. Likewise, a successful AI company may not possess the world's most advanced model. This distinction reveals something deeper about intelligence itself. Human civilization has always produced knowledge faster than it produces wisdom. We often discover what is possible long before we determine what is valuable. Scientific progress expands the boundaries of capability, while markets determine which capabilities become woven into everyday life. Technology answers the question, can we? Business answers the question, should someone pay for it? Neither question invalidates the other. The philosopher Aristotle distinguished between episteme, theoretical knowledge, and techne, practical craft. Artificial intelligence introduces a modern companion to both, enterprise judgment. Today, intelligence must not only be discovered and engineered, it must also be delivered, maintained, trusted, and sustained. This is why the future of AI will not belong exclusively to laboratories, nor will it belong exclusively in boardrooms. It will belong to those capable of translating between the two. The greatest AI companies of the coming decades may not build the most intelligent systems. Instead, they may build the systems people trust most, understand most easily, and integrate most naturally into their daily lives. Intelligence that remains inaccessible is little different from intelligence that does not exist. There is another philosophical consequence hidden within this separation. Researchers seek truth. Businesses seek value. truth is indifferent to markets. A mathematical proof remains true whether anyone profits from it. A scientific breakthrough retains its significance even if it never produces revenue. Markets, however, are indifferent to truth alone. They reward usefulness, convenience, timing, and adoption. History contains countless examples of superior technologies that failed because they arrived too early, or were too expensive, or solved problems few people actually faced. Artificial intelligence will be no exception. This should caution us against measuring progress solely through model size or benchmark performance. Some of history's most transformative innovations were not the technically superior ones. They were the ones that fit human behavior. Technology changes what is possible. Business changes what becomes ordinary. Perhaps this explains why conversations about artificial intelligence often feel confused. Engineers celebrate new capabilities while investors celebrate new valuations. Journalists report both as though they're describing the same achievement. They are not the same. One represents an advance in knowledge. The other represents an advance in adoption. Neither guarantees the other. As artificial intelligence matures, society will increasingly require people who understand both domains. Researchers who appreciate economics. Entrepreneurs who appreciate science. Policymakers who understand incentives. Philosophers who recognize that intelligence without purpose is incomplete, while purpose without understanding is dangerous. The future will belong to the translators and system thinkers. In the end, artificial intelligence possesses two souls. One dreams of creating minds that can think. The other dreams of creating institutions that can endure. One expands the frontier of intelligence. The other expands the frontier of civilization. Neither is sufficient alone. For intelligence changes the world only when it leaves the laboratory, enters human lives, and becomes part of the fabric of everyday existence. The true revolution will not be measured only by how intelligent our machines become, but by how wisely humanity learns to transform that intelligence into enduring value. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Give us a like. Share your thoughts below. This is the Mango Report.